Alex Coffey at TD Ameritrade joins us now for the Trader Rundown. And there's a lot of push and pull in this market, as you know, when you get to lofty levels. But at the same time, there's a lot of uncertainty starting to creep into the market. What are traders talking about?
Yeah, so you have the market at all-time highs, VIX approaching levels that we haven't seen in a long time. That's already going to have kind of that uncertainty surrounding how much further can we go, kind of that concept of climbing the wall of worry. But then you throw in, these unknown things. The coronavirus is kind of that new story that's still developing, and obviously we want that to not be a risk for the markets. We don't want that to be a risk for the world, but these are the kind of things that kind of just come out of nowhere that aren't planned for, that really have the opportunity, if they go really, really horribly, to take down markets, and that's what has me concerned.
You have a couple of trades on that you're taking a look at that traders are fascinated with right now, including Intel.
Yeah, Intel, so one of the major chip players, if not the chip player in that space, reporting earnings, and this is one that's had an incredible, let's say 18 months in terms of investor sentiment, almost left for dead it seems until this recovery we saw over the last quarter after a pretty strong earnings report last release. But traders are looking at this and saying, I'm just not so sure how much further it may go in the near term. So although they might still be positive on Intel, they're willing to sell some upside, and they're looking at this Friday's January 24th expiration, selling the 64, 67 call verticals for about 67 cents, basically just making a bet that it won't go beyond 64.
American Express, the credit card companies, have been doing very well.
Yeah, so the consumer has been a stalwart in the U.S. and really has driven this economy over the last year, and investors are still confident that that's going to continue. The Red Book numbers, you look at consumer spending, all of that's still strong, and so American Express, Visa, MasterCard, perfectly positioned to benefit from that. American Express, of course, reporting earnings Friday morning. Traders looking to take advantage of this volatility around this earnings release, buying the 132, 135 call verticals for about $1 in this Friday, January 24th expiration.
Good to know that trade. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.